which is equivalent to these symbols over here. So we need P or Q. So this one says P and Q, when those two lines meet up in the first set. That's not a good switch statement here. It's supposed to be an or statement, so this one can be ruled out. P does not get connected with Q in the first step, so this one can be ruled out. We need to connect P or Q in the first step. Again, P and Q are not connected here. This one says P or Q, so that matches this first parentheses. And then we also need, in our first step, we need to do this other parentheses. We need to do Q or R. If you look down this option, it says Q and R are both connected to an or statement. So we got P or Q with this line that I'm highlighting here and this line here. And then we also have Q or R in the first step. We got to do parentheses first. So these two things need to come first. And then the next part is the results of those two statements are connected with an and statement. And so this is the result of the first one we did, the result of the second parentheses. They're connected with an and statement. So this is the correct option. Okay, let me see if I can pull up another one here. Okay, this is kind of going in reverse. They give us a switch statement. We got to convert it to symbols. I know in parentheses, I'm going to have a P or Q. So P, V, Q. It's not a V, but it looks like a V. So this is good so far. The first step has P or Q. And then if we look at just the switch statement, the result of that gets fed into an and statement. So P or Q in parentheses and R. So this is the correct one. Okay, so it's really about reading it left to right. This has got to be in parentheses, back up here. P or Q is in parentheses, Q or R are in parentheses. So these two things should be happening in the first set of statements. And we skip this because it's and. Those are the wrong symbols. These are the two symbols we need to be working with because it's supposed to be P or Q and then Q or R in the first step. And then the second step, once we're done resolving the parentheses, and was next.